Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, it is important to know that I'm here to help you prepare for your IELTS speaking exam with tips, strategies, and sample answers. In today's video, we are going to dive into an important cue card topic that many of you might get in the exam. I'll be sharing a well-structured response that you can use as a guide to prepare your own answer. So, if you are aiming to score high in the speaking section, make sure to watch till the end and don't forget to take notes. Please subscribe our channel for latest cue cards. Describe a rule that is important in your school or work, what the rule is, why it is important in your school or work, what the rule is, why it is important, how does it affect everyone, importance of rules. Rules are made for the purpose of smooth functioning of the system which everyone has to follow. I work in ICICI Bank, and an important rule at my workplace is that we have a very strict policy of being punctual. This is a rule that demands all workers be able to come to their place of employment on time, ready for work, without wasting it. It is therefore one of the fundamental values we uphold in our workplace culture and goes a long way in determining how productive and efficient the entire group would be. My job's punctuality policy is written out very clearly. Every worker must be seated at their desks by exactly 10:00 a.m. Anyone who is late more than 3 times during a month is given a disciplinary warning, while those who continue showing up later than usual may suffer consequences like having part of their salaries deducted or even losing their jobs altogether. The same condition applies whether you are an entry-level staff member or sit at top management level, thus making sure there is fairness across the board. This article supports this rule for 3 reasons. Firstly, it guarantees that everything will flow smoothly from then on within such a brief period of time, hence enabling teamwork amongst all individuals involved within the same organization. For instance, delays resulting from lateness can significantly alter meeting schedules, affect project timelines, and disrupt general operations in a joint venture like ours. Secondly, punctuality indicates professionalism and appreciation of other people's time, as well as serving as motivation to discipline ourselves where working conditions are concerned. In my opinion, the rule I have followed has come to hold great significance in my life as a pillar of responsibility and time management. I have come to learn how to arrange my mornings properly so that by the time I leave home, everything is all right and will be able to reach office on time. The result of this is that at workplace it has made me more efficient and organized as far as personal life is concerned. For my colleagues, there is predictability and reliability in our working environment, which they like about the rule. At the beginning of the day, we all know that we are dependable upon each other's presence. At last, punctuality is not merely an advice at my place of work. It has formed our work ethics. Efficiency, professionalism, and respect are all vital for a happy and productive atmosphere. Hence, punctuality serves us well. I am convinced that everybody in the organization gains from this guideline because it plays such an important role in determining whether we succeed together or not. That's all for today's video. I hope you found this sample answer helpful and that it gives you some ideas on how to approach this cue card topic. Remember, the key to doing well in the IELTS speaking exam is practice, so try to practice speaking on different topics as much as you can. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content like this, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more IELTS tips and sample answers. Also, if you have any questions or topics you'd like me to cover in future videos, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Good luck with your IELTS preparation.